Hello, and welcome to day 2, Tuesday, March 23rd. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async today. The first one is author's purpose. You have these three texts, and then you will just, in your answer, you will put what each one is. Number 1, what is it? Number 2, and number 3. Okay. Also explain why you chose persuade, inform, or entertain. Okay, and you'll put that comment section. Your next activity is in MEL. You will complete modal and polite suggestions 2 and 3. Okay, and that's it for async. Please, my friends, do your MEL assignments. If anyone is still having trouble with MEL, please let me know. All right. It is Tuesday, so that means we have class on Zoom together. We have an amazing class today. We will have a presentation from Mr. Lee and Stella, Student Services Department, how to find a job and interviews and all of that. So see you at our regular Zoom time. And that's it. Good luck.